Hold on, I missed this like 2 weeks ago. Is it too late to post this? Probably is. Oh well, whatever. Lil Yachty, Child Boy Freestyle. Y'all know whenever I see Lil Yachty name pop up on my shit, I gotta actually like, prepare myself because this nigga be going crazy. Without further ado, Lil Yachty. What are you talking about? What are you talking about today, brother?
Pop it if you can, I don't want glasses with no cameras. What I told her when I met her. Right. Chopper City, Chopper Style.
Oh my god, bro! Already, bro. Not even 7 seconds in, we got bars, bro.
Pop it if you can, I don't want glasses with no cameras. What I told her when I met her. Right.
I don't want glasses with no camera. What I told her when I met her. That nigga ate.
Pop it if you can, I don't want glasses with no cameras. What I told her when I met her. Right. Chopper City, Chopper Style, big Berettas, twins spin like David Guetta. Tattoo on my face and the V stand for vendetta. Blowing on my phone, everything you just said, you could've wrote that in a letter. Right. I can never get that time back, and that's unfortunate. Your B put items inside a car, but never order it. Diamonds in my ears, same size as a quarter is. Right. If my bitch get fucked by someone like me, I be more than pissed. That's your bitch Vince, she flat out told me that you bought a bitch. Way too many hoes for a P to go to war for it. Right. Way too many fatherless bad bitches to go to war for one. You see me with some hoes, don't ask for ass, go social some, I gatekeep.
I gatekeep, nigga.
Way too many hoes for a P to go to war for it. Right. Way too many fatherless bad bitches to go to war for one. You see me with some hoes, don't ask.
Did you just read it? No, that's coming up next. That's next. I do gotta hear that. though.
Ask for ass, go social some, I gatekeep. Turn on. Geek on G6, bitch, I might be. Right. And I box loyalty like a hype beast. Right. You won't catch me through striping, I'm Nike. Right. I'm flattered when new niggas bite me. Right. Only credit my visa works nicely, bitch. Right. Diamonds on me like a icy. Right. Air man's box orange like a high seat. These niggas, I sit at the high seat. So thick and I watch you have knock knees. I went diamond without eating broccoli. I pop it top, I won't pop me. Pop. Is that likely? No.
He said I went diamond without eating broccoli. Hold on. Don't wait. Hold on. Is fucking is broccoli diamond? Is it diamond? Is it diamond? Cause is it certified diamond yet? I think it is. It is certified diamond. Oh my god, yo, that bar hits too much. That bar hits too hard. That bar hit too hard. Cause broccoli was a fire ass song back in the day. That was like, oh my god, that was like 7th grade year when that shit dropped for me. That was like 20. I graduated 8th grade in 2016, so that was like 20. Damn, that was like 2015. Did broccoli drop in 2015? Oh shot. When did this release? Oh, it was 2016. Okay, but damn, that's actually April. Oh, okay, so it was like right at the end of my 7th grade year. Got you. Okay. Nah, I got it. Okay, all right. Back to the song. That nigga was spitting though.
Bite me. Right. Only credit my visa works nicely, bitch. Right. Diamonds on me like a icy. Right. Air man's box orange like a high seat. But these niggas, I sit at the high seat. She so thick and I watch you have knock knees. I went diamond without eating broccoli. Where I pop it top, I won't pop me. Pop. Is that likely? No. Well, I hate. Watch. Bitch, step and run shit like Gaddafi. Tell that crack keep popping it. Hope he can dodge bullets, neo-Nazi.
Neo-Nazi. Ooh. Yo, Yachty, please don't tease me like that. I heard vocals. Please don't tease me because, nigga, I will. Ooh, I can't say what I'm gonna do on stream, but just know it's gonna be it's gonna be wet everywhere.
Nazi. Swell cold, ain't it, baby? Swell cold, ain't it, baby? Ain't no love with it, baby. Ain't no love with it, baby.
vocal music, bro. I need a Let's Start Here Part 2, please. I need a Let's Start Here Part 2, please. I'm like so dead ass serious, dog. I'm like so dead ass serious, man. Please give me Let's Start Here Part 2. Oh my god, like please, I just need Let's Start Here Part 2, please. Is that too much to ask, nigga? Is that too much to ask, nigga? Like, bro. I need it. I need it. Where's that I thought I bookmarked that gingerbread video. Bro, please, I need it.